Hey, to all of our Bio Veda students, I just want to show you what we're doing. Got some crazy vibes with 21 students from all over the world. We're pouring some aircretes here, making a slurry. Here's some lovely food coming through. Amazing vegan food, look at that. Vegan from leafy greens. Yeah, come outside. Come outside. Sanya, stay. I just want to show you that we are super busy and we're recording about 2.5 hours of video footage a day, and it will start uploading it from next week as soon as this workshop finishes. Here we're leveling forms where we're going to be pouring aircrete bricks that are going to be sturdy and strong. Here's Derek from Canada. Derek, are you enjoying the workshop?
Indeed, yes.
Awesome, yes, awesome. Thank you. Sunny, inside. Come, let me show you the build outside. So we're doing step by step of every single detail of how mistakes, everything. We're putting it all into the footage.
And she's a yoga instructor.
There's a slurry we're putting on the forms. There's our aircrete bricks. Okay.
Is that a lot?
From here, from where I'm standing, eye level, looks pretty flat.
Here is a form that we'll be pouring one form in the whole mix. Paul, where are you from? London. He's a world traveler. Newcastle. All right. And here's a sandbag dome home, which we're putting layers on. Come have a look from here. Yeah, have a look inside. There's Claire. Claire is from France.
Hello.
That's for all our other Bio Veda students.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here the aircrete. We're starting to put our first layer of aircrete. Here it is. Going to be coming up. There's our doorway, main entrance to get into the house. Here's going to be our big window. So we're recording step by step every bit of footage for you guys. And it's coming up, starting to upload from next week. Some tools. Yeah, this is us. And I look forward to be sharing with you all this footage, step by step, lesson by lesson, well organized. And you'll have it super soon.
Slowly.
Making the aircrete. And we have finished our massive, perfected third wetland for the pool, and it's this stuff. It's the game. So you can still watch the other wetlands just to see the process, but this third wetland, this is what you need to be building. Let me show you. Still recovering, but yeah, look at that beauty. This is it. Sucking water from the bottom of the entire wetland, dropping water into the pool, and then the pool overflows into that. So we just need to run it continuously now for a couple of weeks to get this pool to 7-star, but it's finished. Yeah, the garden is looking great. Have a great day. Awesome.